design aspirants, and our dear guardians and parents. We invite you at the Arch College of Design and Business campus here in Malviya Nagar in Jaipur from 5th to 15th of April. This is a very important month for all of us. It is also that we are going to be celebrating a foundation day on 3rd of April. We want your child to be seeing what really it entails to be into design education. The campus will be bustling with energy, with the work of our existing students, the batches, what they've done, the creations, and it will be a good time for our students, the new aspirants, to come and see what it will take on their part to go through this journey. While design is future-led, but you're going to see a lot of new ideas here. The campus will have the workshops open. Parents can talk to the students, to talk to the faculty, talk to the counselors, understand their journey of taking a career in the field of design. Yes, the creative economy needs bright young people who can really think about sustainable ideas. We welcome you on campus in our beautiful city, Jaipur. Namaskar.